Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Before I start the video, I did want to say remember to subscribe, like, and comment what you think is going on right now in the crypto market and after this massive drop from Bitcoin. I mean, we can just look at the daily chart. Look at that. Jesus. 1, 2, 3, 4. In like 5 days, we managed to drop what, $10,000? Jesus Christ. Not surprised, but in like 5 days or so. Anyways, forecast. I'm gonna start off really quick on this TA, but Bitcoin forecast right now is around $19,000. We actually already came down, broke this major support, came down. We can basically call this a retest, and I think as of right here, we're actually going all the way down to 19K. After that support is actually broken, I never actually thought about adding more support because I didn't really care about it because I didn't think we were going to go this low. But after 19K gets broken, we are going to more than likely see some support at 16,100. We will then see some more. Whoops. There we go. We'll probably see a big range or a big we'll probably see a big. Actually, we'll actually put it right there. And then we'll do one right here probably. Where's our range? Yeah, that's perfect. Actually, that's perfect. So I never actually set up support, major supports down here because I didn't actually think we were gonna get there so fast. But as of right now, yeah, we're headed down, especially with this 4 hour gonna be canceling out on the bear side soon. I mean, last time we had this level drop on the 4 hour at this level. Jesus Christ, at this level. Man, I don't even think we've dropped anything recently at this level. We're gonna be creating a bear market, like a bear trigger, like here somewhere. Let me see. What can we actually see as far as a drop, though? Let's go with like a nice bear signal, like a bear trigger here. Sorry, give me a second. I should have probably done this before the video, but whatever. The longer you guys watch, the more sweet ad revenue I can get. Plus, you guys can see all the other goodness and stuff that goes on behind the scenes before I make the videos. Right now, we're looking for on my reverse MACD. We're actually looking for a similar. There you go, similar trigger on what happened on an area. See right here. So see how this candle on this 4 hour, we actually had this yellow candle right here, this bear candle. We actually dropped from 60,000 to 58.5. So I usually look for historical instances of where we had a similar drop like this. So looking at that, as soon as we actually create that, or not after but during, so that 4 hour bear trigger will take us down around $1,500 from here. I think that will probably more than likely be created sometime today, early tomorrow. And after, when that actually is happening, I do expect that candle to be worth $1,500. That's from Patreon. Yeah, I also do think that SPY is going to be probably hitting 370 today. If you guys haven't seen, I'll give you guys a sneak peek of what I just told my Patreon members, but look at that. How is that even remotely close to being like, look at that. SPY is going to 369. I'm calling it right now, but that's not what we're talking about. Sneak peek though. There you go. Bitcoin, nice little extra sell off right there. But essentially, when we have a 4 hour trigger, we're actually going to have that candle is going to be worth $1,500. So wherever we actually end up closing that, you might actually end up closing it somewhere like at $2,000, like here, and then we'll actually see a 19,000 Bitcoin. But as of right now, my forecast is 19,000. I think it's almost a guarantee right now. I think if you're not shorting or haven't been shorting, like me and my Patreon and my chat have been shorting for the last couple days, I think, you've been missing out. We essentially started shorting everything back on Thursday, and that was like right before we started shorting everything on Thursday. So like June 8th. Like around this level, we actually essentially shorted the top right here, and we've been taking it all the way down ever since. And then crypto, I think we started shorting like maybe, what's today, Tuesday, so maybe Saturday, Sunday, we started shorting crypto, I think. I don't remember exactly when, but we did start shorting crypto a while ago. I mean, everybody, this is my current position right here. Whoops, probably shouldn't have shown that. This is what my current position is on Ape. Currently up $731 or $720 now. Yeah, I probably shouldn't show my other stuff that I'm doing. But yeah, as of right now, Forecast is 19,000. Not really going to do too much of a TA because it doesn't require it. This is a very basic pattern of came down around halfway, retested a level here, probably a daily, probably like some sort of daily market structure, I guarantee you. Watch. This is what I don't really like. I don't really care too much about. Let's do this. We'll do 2 just to make it more obvious. But I don't really care too much about, what is it called? About any structure that's not weekly, because it doesn't matter to me, right? Generally, once weekly structure gets broken, it's not, there's like a 95% chance that it's going to the next major structure, right? So there's probably going to be a 4-hour structure here because there's nothing on the daily. Actually, I'll just do this. Where are we in? September 2021. Yeah, it should be here somewhere. Or maybe like hour structure. Let me see. No, yeah, there's 4-hour structure there. Yeah, there's 4-hour structure. Yeah. See, there's some sort of structure right here in the middle, which is perfectly fine. But you know, like I said, I don't really care about why it came back down here and retested and stuff. All I care about is the weeklies, because guess what? Once the weekly gets broken, 95% chance you're going to the next weekly market structure. That's why I stopped using. That's why I stopped using support and resistance that's not weekly structure, right? Every single thing that I have is weekly structure. And you guys can even see, you guys can see exactly why I use it, right? Look at that. Structure, came back down, broke it, went all the way back down, right? Broke structure, came all the way down. I guess it's a bad example because we're in a bear market, but I mean, it's just, anyways, I don't want to go into support and resistance because that's not what the video is about. Bitcoin forecast is down to $19,000. I think it's going to happen sometime for sure. What's today? Tuesday. I think it's going to happen within this week. So probably by Friday. I think that we're going to hit a 19K, 19K Bitcoin. As far as how low we can go, I think right now forecast for Bitcoin, the lowest I think we can possibly go is between like 12K and like 14K. That's my forecast for the lowest that it can go. I think we can have a major bounce here at 19 because it was 2017 highs. So I kind of want to put a buy limit here, ride it back up to maybe like 20,700, somewhere in this mid range, maybe all the way back to 23K. But I do think we'll see a major bounce at this $19,000 level because it was that 2017 high. So, you know, I would not be surprised to see something like this happen. And that's essentially what I'm going to play. I'm going to get out of my shorts here. I'm going to have a buy limit and take this more than likely all the way back to probably 20,800, and then adjust my stop loss and then ride it all the way up to basically infinity. If it decides to recover, cool. I don't think it will, but you know, if it comes back down, if it only goes up to like here and then it comes right back down like that, my stop loss will probably take me out somewhere around this area. It'll probably take me out here in profit, right? But that's what I'm expecting. I'm expecting Bitcoin to come all the way back down, all the way down to 19K. I'm like 99% sure this is going to happen. And then from here, I expect big buys coming in because 19,000 was the high from 2017. I do not expect this to get broken easily. I do expect us to bounce maybe halfway to this range and sell off, or keep pushing to the upside, in which if it does push to the upside, then great. If it ends up breaking this 23.4, then I do think we're gonna run all the way to like the 26K, and then more than likely wake up to this 200 in May, which will probably put us somewhere like around 27K. But that's like a major long term, like TA and stuff, right? But as of right now, short term, yeah, I definitely think we're going to 19K. After that, I'm getting out of all my shorts, and then I'm adding buy limits at that 19K level, and because I do think we're gonna bounce because of that, you know, 2017 previous like major resistance or support because of those highs. So I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Bitcoin does not look good. The SPX or the S&P 500 probably looks worse right now. See, you're pre-market, you're already starting to like, you know, sell off. I mean, you went all the way up to 380, which is great, but then you sold off to 375. And you closed yesterday, you closed at 375, so we're going to open around that same range, but you did wick all the way up to 380, came all the way back down, right? That's a huge ass wick, right? Huge wick to the upside. Nobody wants to see that. And then you're also going to be creating a violent close on the SPX pretty soon. Last time we had a violent close. I'll leave this for another video, and then you guys can see here that I thought that we were actually gonna maybe bounce, but no, we actually ended up dumping like crazy, and this is what happened. But SPY down to 370, Bitcoin down to 19,000. I think it's inevitable. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.